Welcome to vUWS Flash featuring a brief overview on discussion boards. My name is Hermie Cortez and I'm a blended learning designer for the Learning and Teaching Unit. In this episode of vUWS Flash, I will provide you with some tips and tricks on using discussion boards in vUWS. The discussion board is a tool where your students can share their thoughts and ideas about class materials. You can create forums to organize discussions into topics relevant to your course. A forum is an area where participants discuss a topic or a group of related topics. Within each forum, participants can create multiple threads, and as you can see, a thread includes the initial post and all the replies to it. When you are in a thread, all of the posts in a thread are now visible at the same time on one page. However, if this gets too overwhelming, you have the ability to collapse and expand threads using the option that is available at the top and bottom of the thread. You can also collapse individual posts when you hover over the particular posts. The number of unread messages is displayed at the top right along with the total number of posts. The user's course role and forum role are displayed for users whose forum role is either manager or moderator. This occurs when you hover over that person's name. There is also a new marked as read icon. When this icon is blue, this indicates that the post has not yet been read or has been flagged for future reference. Conversely, when the icon is white, the post has been read. The ability to reply inline is also available to all posts. When replying to a post, the content editor used to write a response appears on the same page in the context of the discussion. If you want to reply to a post, you now have access to the new features of the content editor. From here, you can embed media, add mashups, characters, symbols, or emoticons within your reply. You can also keep it simple and make basic comments. When creating a new forum, there are new forum settings now available that allow you to use the discussion board in different ways. For example, did you know that there is now a new Post First feature where instructors now can require students to first post to a forum before they can see other students' posts? This encourages participation, critical and original thinking. Instructors can also evaluate student performance by grading forums and threads. You can assign grades based on student participation, on the quality of their posts, or a combination of the two. Another new feature in discussion boards forum settings is the ability to allow users to subscribe to a discussion board by thread or forum. The subscribe option is for students or instructors to receive an email when new postings are posted in that forum or thread. The email could include the body of the post or just a link to the post in the email depending on the settings selected. For a student-led discussion, you can also allow students to create new threads with the option of posting anonymously. This also encourages discussion and increases student participation. By default, instructors have the role of manager and students have the role of participant. However, you can assign forum roles to limit access to a forum or to help with forum administration. For example, to help control the discussion board content that is presented to your students, you can assign a responsible user the role of moderator. The moderator can then delete, edit, and lock posts in a forum. To assign a forum role, we need to access the discussion board and access a forum's contextual menu. From the contextual menu options, we need to select Manage. And as you can see on the Manage Forum Users page, a list of users appears. We now then need to access a user's contextual menu and select the new forum role for that user. The new role then appears in the forum role column for the user. For more resources and information on discussion boards, please visit help.blackboard.com.